Up first this evening, an investigation has been launched into the circumstances surrounding how Jamaica Defense Force Corporal Dorian Mackenzie came into possession of a gun he used to kill his common-law wife and then himself. The murder-suicide took place in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine early this morning. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks reports.
A lone tree cast a shadow on this house in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. In previous days, the shade this tree provides will be welcomed. Now it seems to only bow in mourning. The gruesome murder-suicide which took place inside the house earlier, the reason. It's believed that Jamaica Defense Force Corporal Dorian Mackenzie killed his common-law wife, practical nurse Sue Anna Nicole Easy, then turned the gun on himself. Auntie Faith is a neighbor and a confidant.
I know the man so good. He's my friend. He come like my son. We have a problem, a real problem. Both of them have a real problem.
And about how long now since him saying that?
The family know him about 2 years and we having that problem.
She said she saw Mackenzie late last night and he was in good spirits. They spoke about the problems he has been having with his common-law wife, and Auntie Faith advised.
I think I can make up with them for life. Last night I tried to tell him if I could make this man, I came to look for a house for rent. And him say I go work and come back. But basically, he never reach work.
Other neighbors filling in the blanks said the couple engaged in another heated argument sometime after 2 this morning. Then moments after, explosions. They said Mackenzie later appeared on the veranda, then went back inside, then more explosions. The Portmore police were called. With the help of the fire department, they managed to gain entry to the house. Mackenzie's body was seen slumped in a couch with a Glock pistol between his legs. Miss Easy's body was then located in a bedroom with multiple gunshot and chop wounds, and there was a machete nearby. Investigators counted more than 20 spent shells inside the house. It's not clear what the latest argument was about, but Auntie Faith doused cold water on rumors that the couple's issues were due to infidelity.
No, I'm not thinking about no man or no woman problem, but anytime he get a problem, him drink. And he love talk about it. Him don't hide it. Him talk a lot. And basically everybody know about the same problem. Him talk all the while.
As for the weapon used in the killing, it is believed it was stolen from the JDF. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.